Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to update Facebook profile picture secretly. So, to start, open the Facebook app. Next, tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then go to your profile. Now, once you're here, tap your current profile picture. Then choose Select Profile Picture. Now, pick a photo from your phone. You can also choose from suggested photos or uploads, etc. So, let's choose one. Next, you can adjust the photo. So you can click Edit, Restyle, Frames. So let's click Edit. Then let's click Crop at the bottom. Then adjust it. Once done, click Done at the top right corner. Then click the check mark right here at the bottom. Next, if you see Share Your Update to Feed at the bottom, so turn that option off before saving or uncheck it just like so. So again, update your Facebook profile picture secretly, go to the bottom and uncheck Share Your Update to Feed. So uncheck it and click Save at the top right corner.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So once updated, your new profile picture itself will be visible to people who can see your profile. So take note that your new profile picture itself will still be visible to people who can see your profile. You're only hiding the update post from your timeline feed. So once updated, let's scroll down and see if there's no update. So as you can see, there's none. And that's it. Super simple. And that's how you can update Facebook profile picture secretly. Thank you for watching.